Hi students, welcome back. Today we're going to look at some exponent properties. The first property we're going to look at is what happens when we multiply two numbers together that have the same base. So we've got some examples up here, and remember the base is the number being multiplied. So when we have 2 to the 4th, that means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And when we have 2 to the 2nd, that means 2 times 2. And essentially what we're doing is we're just multiplying these two things together. So what we can see is that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2s. So 2 to the 4th times 2 to the 2nd is the same thing as 2 to the 6th. This also works with variables. So we can see we've got a to the 3rd, a times a times a. And a to the 2nd, a times a, and we have a total of a being multiplied 5 times. So some of you may have already noticed that, well, all we're really doing here is we're taking those exponents 2 and 4 and adding them together to get 6, or 3 and 2 and adding them together to get 5. So that's our rule for multiplying exponents. Our rule is if the two numbers have the same base, then all we have to do is multiply the exponents together. Now this is key. This is the part that people sometimes make a mistake. The base number does not change. We always keep the base the same. So let's practice a couple of those before we move on. So here we have 6 to the 6th and 6 to the 3rd. So the first thing we always want to check, do they have the same base? Yes, they do. So we keep the base the same. And this is for writing in an exponential form. Then we look at our exponents. We have to the 6th power and to the 3rd power. So what we're doing is we're adding those exponents together. 6 plus 3, and that gives us 6 to the 9th power. And remember, this is called exponential form, 6 to the 9th power. So let's take a look at the next example. Now we have n to the 5th times n to the 7th. The base is the same, so we keep the base n, and we look at our exponents, 5, 7, we add those together, 5 plus 7. So in exponential form, we have n to the 12th power. So that's how we would multiply two exponents that have the same base.